A very important topic that I have to cover here is the importance of ethics and project management and the role of PMI Code of Ethics and the professional conduct, which is considered as the foundation for decision making and stakeholder trust, as you need to gain the trust as a project manager from these stakeholders and the client. So, ethics form the backbone of effective project management. As a project managers, we often find ourselves in situations requiring critical decisions that impact teams or stakeholders and organizations. The PMI Code of Ethics and Professional Conduct ensure our action aligns with the principles of responsibility, respect, fairness, and honesty. Upholding these values build a trust and ensure project success in a long term. To take an example here, consider a project manager in a healthcare industry managing sensitive patient data system upgrade. By adhering to the ethical guidelines, they ensure that patient privacy and data integrity, maintaining stakeholder trust and meeting the regulatory requirements. To have an overview on the PMI Code of Ethics, the PMI Code of Ethics and Professional Conduct is more than just a document. It's a commitment to the ethical excellence. It applies to all PMI members and the credential holders, providing a global standards for professional behavior. The code, the code of ethics are built on four core principles, which is responsibility, respect, fairness, and honesty. Each principle ensures that the project manager make ethical decisions that uphold the professional integrity while fostering trust among stakeholders. Now let's talk about the first principle, which is responsibility. Responsibility is about being accountable for your action and their outcomes. As a project manager, this means fulfilling commitments, meeting deadlines, and owning up to mistakes when they occur. For example, if a delay is unavoidable, taking the responsibility involve promote communication or communicating the issue to the stakeholders and make a transparent communication and re or re- replanning to mitigate its impact in case if it's an issue. Another example, a project manager in IT field faced a delay due to an unexpected system issue. By proactively informing the stakeholders and the clients and offering solution, they maintained the client trust and avoided the reputational damages. The second principle is respect. Respect involves recognizing the value and contribution of everyone involved on the project. This includes treating team members, stakeholders, and vendors with dignity and fairness. Fostering an environment where diverse perspectives are welcomed enhances the collaboration and innovation. Encouraging open communication allows team members to voice their opinion and creating a sense of inclusion and mutual respect. The third principle is fairness. Fairness is critical to maintaining trust within the project. This means making decisions based on merit and ensuring all team members have an equal access to opportunities and resources. Let's take an example here. As a project manager in retail, disclose their prior relationship with a vendor during a bidding process. By rescuing themselves from the decision making, they ensured fairness and avoided favoritism. The fourth principle is honesty. Honesty is the heart of ethical project management. This means being truthful in all communication, whether reporting a progress to stakeholders or discussing risks with the team. Now let's go through scenarios that require unethical decisions. So, ethical dilemmas or issues often arise on project management. For example, what if a vendor offers a gift um, for the project manager or a treatment? Or if a stakeholder pressures you to approve substandard work or an extra work? So, the PMI code of ethics provides a framework to navigate these situations, referring to the principles of fairness and honesty, which can guide you in rejecting the influence and maintaining the professional integrity. How about decision making frameworks? So, when faced with unethical issues, structured decision making ensures a sound of judgment. Evaluate your options using PMI principles and choose the course of action that upholds these values. And this approach ensures that decision prioritize long-term success over short-term convenience. What are the main benefits of ethical leadership? Ethical leadership builds trust and enhances the team collaboration and ensure a sustainable success by constantly adhering to the ethical practices. You create a culture of integrity and trust within your project and within your team, and you build a better relationship with your stakeholders. How to maintain the how to maintain your ethical standards and how to navigate them through challenges. So, as we say that ethical challenges evolve with time, staying updated on PMI code of ethics and seeking the mentorship ensures that you are occupied to handle any ethical issues responsibly.